Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to verify your identity on Ticketswap. It's pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketswap account, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing is, how can you create an account on Ticketswap? It's pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type ticketswap.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Ticketswap. Once again, to the website, follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Ticketswap. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's steps, and that is how to verify your identity on Ticketswap. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have your profile picture and a drop down icon right next to it. Click on the drop down icon. Here you have an extended menu that says Accounts, Your Calendar, Ticket Alerts, Following, Payouts, Notifications, Conversations, and Logout. So go ahead and click on Account, and that's going to launch you into the Accounts window. So from this Accounts window, you have email address, phone number, and identity verification. Now you see this show hyperlink right next to it. Go ahead and click on the show hyperlink, and that's going to take you to the next window. Now there are three phases, or there are three steps required in verifying your identity. One of them is the address, the next is passport or ID, and of course the next is the proof of address. So after verifying your address, the next step is to verify your passport or ID, and the next step is the proof of address. So once you click on add your address, it's going to take you to the next window. You're going to add your country of residence, click save. And once that has been verified, you go to the next and add your passport or your ID. This, for the why is this required? Our payment provider, that's Ticketswap payment provider, needs your passport or ID to provide additional verification. And after that has been successfully verified, the next step, which is the last step, is a proof of address. As sometimes Ticketswap payment provider needs additional proof of address to complete your verification. Now once you've gone through all of these steps and these phases of identity verification, you're going to get a notification that your identity has been verified. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.